Next up, flight plans for Black Mous. In this we need to take 3 hack thumb drives from the dumpster dead drop near Bagra Fortress, and in one deployment plant hack thumb drives in computers in the air traffic control tower, the North Observatory telescope, and finally the Mazrah City TV Station. For this you'll need the control tower key and the Mazrah TV Station key, which you can find on the map, buy from buy stations, or you could just take in a skeleton key and get into them anyway. Right, so first of all we'll head to the Bagra Fortress down in the far south of the map, and we'll grab our item from the dead drop. Right, so pulling up here, we'll go ahead and search this dead drop, and from it we'll grab the USBs. Now with these, we'll need to head across to the control tower in the airport here. Who's on the roof up there? There's those players. Yeah, there's players on the roof. I downed one. Correct another. Yeah, there's those camping there. Do you want to go to the Channel 7 building first? So first of all, we'll go to the observatory then, all the way up here to this far North Observatory tower. So approaching the northern tower up here, what we need to do is get inside of it and just clear it out first in the downstairs area here. So we'll need to come to this computer on the northern side of it and plant the USB here just by hitting F. Now when this is done, we can leave here. Okay, so next up we'll go to the Channel 7 building, which you'll find all the way in Mazrah. We'll head past this tall building here, and just a bit further you can see it. All the way down this road, it's this building here that we need to travel to, the Channel 7 building. So with the Channel 7 key in hand, we'll need to head in and up. We'll go in the front doors, find the elevator, and we'll take the elevator up. Now when we reach the top here, you'll see the locked door right in front of us. We'll open it up, get inside, and find the computer in here. There we go. I saw it pop up on my screen. Okay, cool, we got it. So in this corner here, you'll be able to hit F, and you'll plant the second hacked thumb drive. Sweet. But I'm sure there's still... I can see a little drone there. Yo, I think they just bomb droned someone. Yeah, there's a little explosion there. Sweet. Okay, so our teammate unlocked the entrance here. Yo, no way, dude. Sneaky. We do it from the top. Right, so inside we should find the pyro, probably all the way on the top floor. There's a few players outside here. Yeah, there's another 2 people down here. It's apparently here. And there we go. Done, I think. Cool. So coming out the elevator and to the right, just around the corner, we have this computer, and that finishes flight plans. That's it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.